Experiments and notebooks play well together in Neptune. In particular, it means that if you run multiple experiments from the notebook and this notebook is known to Neptune, then a new checkpoint for each experiment is automatically created. Let's take a look at one example. So here is a classification notebook. There is a link at the bottom in the details tab, experiment started in notebook, and this link will guide me to the experiments view where I will see all the experiments started in this notebook. But if I'm looking for some particular experiment, I can go to the checkpoints, and here in this linear history of checkpoints, if I open one particular example, there is a link experiment started in checkpoint. And this will guide me to this single particular, there it is, single particular experiment started from this checkpoint. And this introduces one-to-one mapping between the code in the notebook and the experiment. I can always go back from this experiments view to the notebook view using this link, and just wanted to check these details and experiment started in notebook. Here I can see all the experiments started in the notebook. There is quite a few of them. Each has a unique link that allow me to go from experiment to the code in notebook. So in general, this is a way to keep track of all the quick experiments started in the notebook cell, where you can, for example, play with different ideas, checking some hyperparameters very quickly in the notebook in some small experiments, and still keep track of all of them in Neptune. So on one hand, you have all the experiments here in the experiments view, but also you will have the code in the notebook here in the notebooks view.